let's rewind this. Yeah, we will sin to make us last. Oh yeah, we'll drown, we'll swim too fast.
Okay, so after many questions in the comment section, I finally decided let's make a video on the sheer beauty of the Ringke Fusion X case. So I forgot to record any unboxing, not even the cover, I just threw it. But yeah, credit goes to AndroidStud, and the clips that you're going to see next are from his. Just see the unboxing and then I'll get into the basics and the other stuff.
Too many times we made the call that this is it, let's break it all. All the love is made up, baby, drink up, this is our stuff. Yeah, so we've sinned to make us last. Buried alive, cry till we laughed. Come on, we can make up, honey, come on, let's not break up. Love tonight, anything to survive.
Now let's talk the basics. As you've come back, protection super strong and sturdy. First time my phone fell from about waist level. Side first, it got this ding, and I felt real bad. I got to know that the back cover that the phone comes with is useless, and the phone is also not strong. So I went online and got to know that everyone was referring this case, which is the Ringke Fusion X case, and it's expensive. I can say it's expensive because it cost me around 1,000 rupees, and I thought let's give it a try, and I can say it's worth every penny. After that, it has fallen from about desk height twice or thrice, and the taller table height, which is around my shoulder level, once, and there have been no dings or no scratches. Yeah, I can't show you right now like a drop test because this is the only phone I have, but yeah, I believe there will be no problems once you use this case. Also, the screen side protection, the lip is high, no pun intended, and it bounces right off the screen. Even without the screen protector, you are good to go. By the way, I got a 25% off the screen protector from Ringke, so it would have been around 700, which is actually for 999. If you buy both, you can get it for around 1700, and that's a good deal, good enough deal. So I also that case covers the device from screen from edge to edge, unlike the screen protector I have here, because this is just useless. And it does not mess up with third-party screen protectors too, like the ones that are not from Ringke, like the one I'm using here. And this is a common problem with some bulkier cases with good screen protection, high lips, and looks are just dang. No one can say against it. Yeah, it does make the phone look bulkier, but you can't help. That's a small price to pay for military grade protection. And the red color matches with the red POCO, so it's just awesome for me. So that's it from my side, guys. I can finally say that I found the best case for the POCO F1. And yeah, it's expensive, but as I said, it's worth every penny. Just go for it and you won't ever regret it. That's it from my side. I am Tarun Srivastava from Eccentric Tech. Like, share, subscribe, and also share it to your friends, because I know many of them are using POCO phones and no one actually has the perfect case, which is the Ringke Fusion X. So that's all. And I'm going to see you soon. And till then, stay safe, stay techie.